Alright, so what we're going to go ahead and do is set up a weekly video call, and in order to do that we can click on a date to set up an event. We'll go ahead and make our weekly Friday video call. So what you want to do is add the Google Meet video conference, and now we can set it to repeat. We select the time. Go ahead and make it, we can just make it all day long, and set it to repeat weekly on Friday. And once you save that, now you have a weekly Friday video call that's able to access all week, all throughout the day. Not all week, I'm sorry. Every Friday, all throughout that day. And that's it.